best fully automatic top loading washing machine. Number 5. Godrej 6.2 kg fully automatic top loading washing machine. Approx price 12,290 rupees. Affordable with great wash quality. Capacity 6.2 kg. Suitable for small families. 700 spin RPM. Higher spin speeds helps in faster drying. 5 wash programs. I-wash technology. 10-year warranty on wash motor and 2-year warranty on product. Number 4. Amazon Basics 6.5 kg fully automatic top load washing machine. Approx price 10,999 rupees. Capacity 6.5 kg. 700 RPM. Higher the spin speed, faster the drying time. LED display panel. 8 wash programs. Warranty 2 years on product, 4 years on motor. Number 3. Whirlpool 7 kg 5-star Royal Plus fully automatic top loading washing machine. Approx price 16,490 rupees. 12 wash programs. Just 3 simple buttons will enable complete wash cycle. LED digital display. Power scrub technology. Hard water wash technology. 6th sense smart sensors. 5-star energy rated washing machine. Number 2. LG 6.5 kg 5-star smart inverter fully automatic top loading washing machine. Approx price 16,290 rupees. Affordable with great wash quality. 5-star energy rated model. Best in class efficiency. Capacity 6.5 kg. Suitable for bachelors and couples. 700 RPM. Higher spin speeds helps in faster drying. Wash programs. Normal, pre-wash plus normal, gentle, quick wash, strong. Smart inverter technology. Warranty 2 years on product, 10 years on motor. Number 1. Samsung 6.5 kg fully automatic top loading washing machine. Approx price 14,790 rupees. Affordable with great wash quality. Capacity 6.5 kg. Suitable for families with 3 to 4 members. RPM 680. Higher spin speeds helps in faster drying. 6 wash programs. Normal, quick wash, delicates, soak plus normal, energy saving. 2 years comprehensive warranty on product and 2 years on motor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.